will not surrender. I will do my best.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another review, and in this review we're going to be taking a look at the TteSPORTS Meka Pro mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard does come in different switches, brown, red and blue to be exact. This particular model will be the blue switch, so please stay tuned. So this keyboard here does come backlit red, however, there are no RGB functions with this keyboard. There are no software either to control this. All the control and effects and lighting are done by the function key buttons on the keyboard. So you can have different effects on the keyboard, or you can have different LED zones which light up. This keyboard has 100% anti-ghosting and N key rollover support, meaning that you can press two keys simultaneously and they will both register. The keyboard has a 50 million click lifespan, and the keyboard feels heavy and durable, weighing in at 1.2 kilos, and it is made out of plastic. It is 440 millimeters long, 133 millimeters wide, and the thickness of it stands at 36 millimeters. The keyboard does have a 256-bit onboard memory, which is how we are able to use the function keys to change all of the lighting methods. What we do like is there is no wrist rest, no onboard audio jacks, no USB, and there is no cable raceway underneath to route the cable in whichever direction you want. The cable is also a cheap rubber cable, which doesn't give it that premium feel like a braided cable would. The keyboard is a matte finish, and it also comes with some adjustable feet at the back which have rubber on them to prevent slipping. If you do want to customize the keyboard, TteSPORTS provides you with 9 red keys which you can place on the keyboard wherever you like. They also provide a keycap remover, so it makes the job nice and easy. By pressing down the MK key and the function and one of the M keys on the number pad, you are able to set macros to a total of 31 keys. Now by hitting the function M key again, that will stop the recording and the profile will be set. The build quality does feel premium, and after hours of gaming, my wrist did not feel any fatigue at all. It kind of reminded me of my Poseidon Z Rgb mechanical keyboard from Thermaltake, which is their more high-end premium one. The build quality and the actual feel of it just all reminded me of that. So it was quite a pleasant experience while gaming using this keyboard. And overall, this keyboard was a pleasant experience. For $100 US, this keyboard is not a bad keyboard at all. However, there are a few features which it does lack, which I feel could be included, especially with that $100 price tag. But what do you guys think? Ultimately, you guys are the judge. Let me know down below in the comments, is this a keyboard you could see yourself using? As I did say, I think the build quality is there. I like the finish of it. I like the design. It does lack the RGB features, and there is a few features that lack to give it that premium feel. But overall, I am happy with the design and the feel of it, which reminds me of my daily keyboard driver, the Thermaltake Poseidon Z Rgb mechanical keyboard. Hope you all enjoyed, guys. Remember to check out more videos on the channel, lots of reviews, custom PCs, modding tutorials, and water cooling tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next one.